This is the much-awaited Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. Baka nakita niyo yung promo video nila sa Oscars. Well, I was able to have a few minutes with the device and I just want to share my experience. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel where we take awesome out of the box. My name is Leia and I'm in San Francisco for Unpacked 2020. This is where Samsung launched the S20 series. We have a video on that, link on screen or somewhere below, and also where they launched the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. And before we get to the rest of the video, here's a quick reminder to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our videos. Back to the phone, I'm sure it reminds you of the Motorola Razr, and if you've seen the Galaxy Fold released last year, it's actually very different from that. I know they have the same folding concept, but I believe that Samsung is targeting a different user for the Z Flip. To begin with, it's very compact, it's very small, it's cute. It actually reminds me of my face powder. Now, if you're a guy and you can't relate, para siyang Game Boy SP. For a quick rundown of the specs, you'll get a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus dynamic AMOLED display. Pag nakabukas siya, it's as long as the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus, and you'll also see na there's a small punch hole in the middle. The processor is the same one used in last year's flagship devices, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855. It has 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. For the shooters, you get a dual rear camera setup with the main one at 12 megapixels and the ultra wide angle lens also at 12 megapixels. And for the selfie camera, it's at 10 megapixels with an aperture of f2.4. You know, honestly, I wish I had more time with the device para matest ko yung cameras, but right now, I'm just happy that I was able to get my hands on it at all. But hopefully, in the future, pag available na siya sa market, ma-review namin siya ni Jamie. The battery is at 3,300 mAh with wireless charging and reverse charging, and in front you will notice this small display for the time and notifications. The hinge of the Z Flip looks very similar to that of the Galaxy Fold. Actually, when you fold it, I like it that it folds flat. So you can easily slip it in your pocket, or in my case, put it in my tiny bag. However, when you open it, you will notice that meron siyang tiny crease in the middle, much like the Galaxy Fold. Although, na-review namin ni Jamie yung Galaxy Fold. Actually, I have to link the video somewhere on screen. Eventually, we kind of got used to it and we don't even see it anymore. Para siyang punch hole, I guess. Yun nga, you get used to it. As of making this video, there's no official pricing for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, but I'll let you guys know as soon as we hear from Samsung. I will leave it as a pinned comment below. Actually guys, that's it for this video. I know it's very short. I wish I had more time with the device, so hopefully makabawi tayo sa review. But that's it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, follow us on Facebook and on Instagram. My name is Leia. Bye guys!